Hey guys, Andrew, another episode of Pew Brothers. Today we're at the range. We're gonna do some drills. I'm not getting into what drills you should do. I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do for today. Sunday gun day. We're gonna go out here to the range. We're gonna do some pistol drills. We're gonna do some rifle drills. We're gonna do some shotgun drills. All practical, guys. I mean, you know, obviously, practicality of having a shotgun or a rifle with you inside the mall is gonna be a little bit less than not. But at any rate, let's make it happen. Stay tuned. Guys, this range day was simple. It was all about me working on the fundamentals for my handgun, my shotgun, and my rifle. I put the drills on the notepad we wrote on, as well as put them above the screen before I get ready to start the drill in each segment. Hope you like it and take something away, and if you watch it long enough, you'll see my blooper with the rifle.
Go. Go. Alright. I was strong hand on, that's okay. Okay.
I went to two, didn't I?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You still shot him?
Let me redo that one.
Still shot him? You want me to ask around?
I'll grab one.
Alright. You ready? Stand by. Go!
Ah! Terrible. These targets up here at the top, these little trainer targets. Yeah, they get the best of you. Get the best of you. Put them where they count. Not bad.
Go! Go! It's funny, we both loaded the same sequence.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep. Stand by. Go! Go!
We savages, baby. You heard me. Savages! Just kidding. I just got a little excited. I did pretty good right there.
You ready? Ready? Stand by. Go! You ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Go! Go!
This is the great thing about range days. Ethan was calling the drills for rifle. He put me in an uncomfortable position. I very rarely practice shooting offhand from my rifle. And here, it shows. Look, ready?
You ready?
Ready?
Round, stand by. You ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Go!
This entire segment comes from the Lucky Gunner's Shotgun Skills Test. 11 rounds. I'll leave the link in the description.
Bye. Go. Alright.
This is the unscripted part where I just had a couple things I wanted to work on, and here you go. You don't get any more simplistic than this. This is me taking my time, putting the rounds where I intend to put them at. I'm not going to lie to you, I didn't put all of them where I wanted to. They got close, but that's the reason I'm taking it slow here. You can hear the reset. We're working through it. We got a lot of training in today. Ran our ARs, ran our shotguns for home defense. We did some concealed carry drills. Beautiful day here in North Carolina, great weather. Guys, if you're looking for concealed carry classes, Jamie Carpenter at Dead On Tactical Training is the place to be. Thanks for watching today's video, and as always, plank responsibly.
I don't want to ruin your day, but your first one was over here.
I seen that one.
Your last three was like, that's all your last three. That's a quarter right there. Thumbnail.